Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to add a signature to your mails. We will be showing it for Gmail as it is the most commonly used mailing platform. However, you can adapt this procedure for other mailing platforms as well. Signatures save time and help to maintain consistency. You do not have to type thanking you, your sincerely, your designation, your name every time you send out a mail or reply to one. So this feature comes in very handy and provides flexibility to some extent. In this video, we try to cover two types of signatures. One is the basic one and one is the professional signature. So we start off with the basic signature. You open Gmail and log into your account. You go to the settings on the right side. Go to the settings options once again. You come to the general tab over here. You scroll down. You see an option of adding a signature. So you click on create new. Give it a name of your choice. In this text area, you can write in whatever you would want your signature to. And you can give in your name, your company name, your organization name, your designation. If you have a website where you would want your viewers to go, as in your recipient of the mail, you can add in that email ID if there's another second one or at the end. You can adapt this according to your requirement. You select the entire text and you can format it over here. You have a bunch of options. You can change the font face, the size, the text color or the background color. I'm choosing this shade over here. I can probably bold or underline my text. I have alignment options here. I have a link and an image option here. So link is when you select a particular text and you can link it to a website. You can even change it if you want. Say suppose I'm trying to link this. Sorry. I can add the web address and I can link it that way. I can link my email address. Image option will cover later in the professional signature. Then scroll down, you can see where exactly you can use your signature. You can use it for both new mails and for replies or forwards. So I'm using basic for both. Scroll down and save changes. You can go on to compose your mail and you see exactly how your mail looks like. So you send it to a recipient and give it a subject. Form the body of your mail. Then you can send it. So you can see how the mail looks. Say suppose you do not want these dashes which appear automatically. So there's an option for that. You go to settings the same way as before and scroll down to the signature option. You tick this option which says that insert signature before quoted text and replies and remove the dash line that precedes it. Save changes it once again. And again, you see that these dashes have vanished. So similarly, you can go on to create your mail and the body. I had talked about the benefits of the flexibility that these signatures provide. So that is, you can change your formatting later also. So say suppose I want a particular person to receive the signature in a different format. I can change the face and the size and everything that I want according to my requirement. Say probably I don't want anything to be bold and everything in black color. So it appears like this. That is totally your choice. And this is how your final mail would look like. Moving forward, we come to the professional signature. Here I have prepared a simple template with a logo, organization details, and certain social media icons which are clickable and can directly link you to the required page or channel. For the purpose of professional signatures, I'll be using Google Docs instead of Microsoft Word. The primary reason being that a large part of the formatting done in Microsoft Word may not appear correctly when used as a signature for Gmail. Returning to the Gmail account, click on this grid icon over here, scroll down and click on Docs. So for this signature, I'll be using a blank document. However, you might choose to use one of these templates over here if it fits your requirements. I'll be needing a table for the signature. So I'll go to the insert tab over here and I'll choose table and select the size of the table, which is 2x1 in this case. Where on the left side, we'll have the logo and on the right side, we'll have the details of the organization. As seen in the template, the logo is circular in shape, but the one that I have with me right now is square. To format the picture, you can easily use some online formatting apps or websites. However, I'll be doing it using Microsoft Word, not Google Docs, because the feature for formatting isn't available in Google Docs as per my knowledge. So I'll just copy the picture and paste it in a Microsoft Word document. And I'll select the picture, go to the Picture Tools Format tab at the top, where I have a variety of picture styles, out of which I'll select the circular one. I see that there is an extra border and some shadow over here, which I do not need, so I can remove it by going to Picture Border and giving it a no outline, Picture Effects, Shadow, no shadow. Now it is exactly the same way as what we saw in the template, so I'll just copy this one and paste it in the required document. To resize this logo, you just have to click on it and manually use these dots to resize, or you can go to the image options over here, size and rotation, where you can give a definite size to your logo. Yes, I'll be giving it 1.5 inches. Once the resizing is done, I would want to remove this extra space over here. So I'll just drag the margin closer towards the logo. On the right side, I'll give in the details of or designation or any other industry details you would want to give. Web address, which automatically gets linked, an email address, which again will automatically get linked, a phone number, a physical address, name, and a postal code. In the remaining area, I would give in the social media icons. Get some good quality icons like these. I would refer a website called flaticon.com, which I'll link in the description box below. You just need to sign up for free and you get access to a wide variety of icons. If you want access to some advanced options or formatting options, you might have to subscribe. But as per my opinion, you can make do with the free icons available. I look for a Twitter logo. I can see a wide array of icons are available, some of which are free and some of which are premium. So as to filter out the free ones, I can just go to the filters tab over here and select on the free option. And then I would not have to manually go through each and every option to check whether it's free or premium. To download any one icon, I just need to right click on it and download it either as an SVG or a PNG format. I usually go for the PNG format. In case you need any advanced formatting options in the website itself, you just click on the icon and here you get several options for resizing the, for changing the resolution or even changing the colors of the images by using this button over here. I am not going to download the icons right now because I already have it downloaded. So we return to our document and I'll insert it over here by using this option called insert image, where I can insert it from my computer or from the web or from the drive. Since I have it downloaded in my computer already, I'm using the first option where you select the folder where it is downloaded, which is downloads in case of me, and I'll just select the required file. So I can see the Twitter logo has been inserted. I'll just resize it by following the same procedure as before, going to image options and size and rotation, where I'll give it 0. Similarly, I'll do for rest of the icons. To save time, I am just copy pasting it from the sample template I have over here. So here you can see I have pasted it. Now we'll come to the linking portion where we'll link these icons to the required platforms. So for the Instagram one, we just select the icon we go to this insert link option over here, where we have to give the web address, which I already have over here. So I'll just copy it. I'll go back to my document and I'll paste it over here and I'll click on apply. I'll do the same for the Facebook icon, and I'll again copy the web address, go back to my Word document and paste it over here, apply. Similarly for the YouTube channel, I can do so. And again, I'll apply. So once this is done, I'll just finally resize my table. Also, I'm not doing it for the Twitter and LinkedIn logos because you have already got an idea about it. Once my table has been resized, I might want to format my text to, say, suppose this font, and maybe I'll just resize the heading to a larger font and make the details a smaller font. You need to be careful with the font face that you use for your signature. Though Google Docs provides you with a variety of fonts over here, but not all of them are supported by Gmail, so the formatting may not come out to be correct. So for example, in the template, I've used some fancy format which is technically not available in Gmail. So when I had done a trial run of this professional signature, it didn't turn out well. So to check out the the styles which are available in Gmail, you just need to compose a mail, and you can get the options of checking out your fonts over here. So you see the list of fonts that are available. Accordingly, you can select your fonts for professional signature. So I have done so. Once this is done, I'll just select the entire table and make the border color white so as to remove any impressions of the signature being a table. So I'll just go to border color over here and select white. However, to just make it slightly fancy, I would want the middle border to stay in a gray subtle shade. So I'll just select the middle border and I'll go to the border color option over here and select a gray shade for it. Once your formatting has been done, you merely have to select your entire table and copy it. Once it is done, move back to your Gmail account and follow the procedure for adding a basic signature, as by going to the settings icon over here, settings option, moving down the general tab over here and coming to signature, where you create a new one and give it. In the text box over here, you just have to copy the table that you have, paste the table that you have just copied. If you want to make any last minute changes to your signature over here, you can use the options available. Once it is done, just apply your basic or professional signatures to either your new mails or to your replies and forwards. So for new mails, I would like to use the professional one, and for replies and forwards, I would want the basic one. I've already checked that my signatures should not have the lines before it. Once it is done, I'll scroll down and save changes it. So for trial, I'm just composing a mail. So you can see how the professional signature has appeared absolutely as we had prepared. And I'll just again, if you want to make any last minute changes to either your body or your signature, you can do so by using this. So I'll just make the text consistent with the text style of my signature. So I'll use this font once again, and it's done. I'm clicking on send. So viewing the mail that I just sent, you can see how it has appeared. So these icons have been linked as we had inserted the links. So clicking on the Instagram icon, we can see that the Instagram page has been loaded. So we can see how the icons have been correctly linked to the required platforms. So this is how we create a basic signature and a professional signature. Hope you found this video informative. Please stay tuned in for more such videos. Thank you so much.